So Elizaveta, for this first one, what you do is use this formula. This is called the distance formula. It's x minus x squared plus y minus y squared. So in our case, what we would do is we would take the square root of the first x, which is, sorry, I'm having trouble here. We would take the square root of 4 squared plus 2 minus 8 squared. And we have to have both of these squared. So this little caret symbol means squared. Oh, it did it for me. That's great. And that means squared. So we're going to take the square root of that, and this will equal the square root of 9 minus 4 is 5 squared plus 2 minus 8 is negative 6 squared, and that equals, that will equal the square root of sorry, I'm getting there, it's hard with this, the square root of 25 plus 36. And the square root of 25 plus 36 is the square root of 61. And that's about equal to somewhere 7 point, I'm not sure, about 8. I'd have to do it on a calculator. But this formula will help you. You just plug in those 2 points and kind of follow that process. So now if we move here to writing two ratios, to write a ratio, you take the original ratio and then you simply multiply it times any two numbers. As long as you multiply the numerator and denominator by the same thing, it's going to be a ratio. So 8 over 14 is a ratio. Or you could do 4/7 times 4 over 4, and that would equal 16 over 28. And that would be equivalent, or that would be proportion. Equivalent ratios are proportional. And lastly, for the unit price, you take the total amount, $9, you divide it by the number of items, and that will give you the price, $1.50 per one. So unit price always has 1 here at the bottom. And that tells you how much one soda costs there. Hopefully that helps. If not, come see me in the morning and we can talk about it.